Ji- Gaku Shou learning. Learning became important. Gaku Shou ga Juuyu ni Narimashita. Gijutsu skill. I developed technical skills. Watashi wa Gijutsu o Nobashimashita. Puro Gorami ngu programming. I studied programming every day. Mainichi Puro Gorami ngu o Benkyo o Shimashita. Koodo code. I wrote many lines of code. Takusan no Koodo o Kakimashita. Kaihatsu development. I enjoyed development. Kaihatsu ga Tanoshikata desu. Puro Jakuto project. I built many projects. Watashi wa Takusan no Puro Jakuto o Tsukurimashita. Shipai failure. Some projects failed. Ikutsu ka no Puro Jakuto wa Shipai shimashita. Kaizen improvement. I improved my work. Watashi wa Shigoto o Kaizen shimashita. Manabo to learn. I learned from mistakes. Watashi wa Machigai kara manabimashita. Nintai patience. I learned patience. Watashi wa nintai o manabimashita. Keizoku persistence. Persistence helped me succeed. Keizoku ga watashi o tasuke mashita. Zenshin progress. I continued moving forward. Watashi wa mi ni susumi mashita. Kikai opportunity. I found new opportunities. Atarashi I kikai o mitsuke mashita. Junbi preparation. I prepared for my future. Mirai no tame ni junbi shimashita. Shigoto work. I work in technical support. Taiku ni karu sapo oto de hataraki mashita. Kokyako customer. I help many customers. Takusan no kokyako o tasuke mashita. Kaiketsu solution. I solve technical problems. Gijutsu mondai o kaiketsu shimashita.